welcome to a new video of the new web app. It is a quotation generator. So today I'm going to show you we had made a beautifully customized quotation generator for all of you, and what all it contains we are going to discuss in this video right now. So this is a sleek, powerful and a secure SaaS style web application designed to streamline billing and invoicing, as you can see, and a quotation generation engineer for modern businesses. This tool offers a seamless professional experience from drafting a client quote to generating a high definition PDF. So today I'm going to show you everything, what are things is available in this quotation generator, as you can see. So this is a quotation generator, as you can see. Let's go into the settings and see how, like, from where we can change the furniture and code, this name, the address, the phone number, the logo and everything. Just go to settings. Here there is a security pin, like when you are entering it required a pin, so you have to give 8249. Then after business name, here you can write it, the address, you can upload a logo also, and you can upload a signature here of your own business, and you can add your bank details here and your terms and conditions here. Say I want to apply, but now already I have, so I just click cancel. As you can see, so here let's see what are things we can write it. Right table. So this is a customized, you can say this is a customized build like quotation generator. Directly in the form only you can customize it. To rate 1000, 12% GST rate, anything you can add it according to your own. Percent. And if you want, you can just write another item. If you just want to add, then just click add line, share. I'm just giving, and automatically, because I had before also I had given, so the directly it came. But if you don't want, you can just remove here from by the cross and just see. And another beautiful thing I just want to say is that this is it comes with the 4 themes, as you can see, like blue, green, black, like 4 themes color you get it. Also here there are toggles like as in the show header. If you don't want to show header, you can remove it. Just remove away. Just here. So bank details, don't want to show the bank details also. Just if you just want to remove. So terms and conditions, if you don't want terms and conditions, you can remove it. So client phone or so client address also you can remove it. So quantity also you can remove it, or so rate, anything. So GST, anything you can customize here from the left side of your screen. Also you can change all the themes. Then after in history, so save to seats. If we click, so if you just click those save to seats, it will save into your database. Here, from here you can click download PDF, or if you just want to give the customer your printing also, you can just click print and it will just show a beautiful printing for you. If not, if you just want a PDF download and send online also, you can click download PDF and it will just show a beautiful PDF, as you can see. And if you just want to make it come to everything again once again blank, just click new quote. Yeah, then everything will come blank. So this is the quotation generator and history. You can check with the client ID or else time frame or status, what is active or pending also you can see. As before there was some, you can click load. Here you can see everything. For now we don't need it. So close. So if you just want a customized quotation generator for your own business or for your own company, you can just go to any web browser and click padhyworld.in. So this website will come. Just go to site marketplace, click store. So here we already have some web apps and Google sites we sell here. So if you just want exactly the same quotation generator what is there, it is just only 49 rupees. But if you want a customized quotation generator, bill generator, or any websites or web apps, the prices will be vary from web app to web app. And if you just want to try demo of the quotation generator, you can click here, try demo. Pin is 8249. As you can see, you can type here, right? So yeah. So, but if you have any questions regarding buying or for your own customization, you can directly contact to WhatsApp, chat with WhatsApp. And if you just want to buy, click buy now, scan and pay the 49 rupees and write your name, WhatsApp number, email address, your transaction ID. Also, you have to upload your screenshot and click submit verification within 24 hours. It will be verified and you'll get your generator, like quotation generator. If the same quotation generator you want, but if you want a customized any web app, it will take 5 to 7 days. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Give your love and support, and also recommend is what type of videos you needed in further in future web apps or websites you need. Also, you can write in the comment box how we can improve our videos. So once again, you will just get a doubt then, okay, everything is there, but where does so you'll get a doubt, everything is available, but where does it stay? The database. The database is in your own Google sheet with your own Gmail account. It is fully safe and secure. Your database is completely here with your Google Sheets, so you don't need to worry about it. So yeah, thank you for watching it.